Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the professional society who was providing the graduateship engineering program in the past since independence of India, but in current scenario due to the upgradation of the policy of MHRD and AICTE, this professional society becoming hopeless due to the AICTE standard and MHRD upgradation policy. Currently, we will show you the hopeless of the evidence is there are other society also showing their public notice and some details on their website and guessing we are losing our morals and what will be the future of a student they cannot be guessed. Here we will explain each and everything about the student's life and also the court case running status and what will be the forecast of the students and professional societies. So let us see till last. Okay, currently here I will say you in the past time when the in India not much university engineering college. In that time the only the professional society was giving the best and better education program which was organized by the AICT or MHRD as time to time has been changed their responsibility but approved from the government of India. But in recently these societies ha- is losing their moral because their city and MHRD upgraded their policy and they upgraded their policy in this way. The here the effect is showing. The first I will see you Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers including polymer. Here is saying the yeah, it is not a city approved program presently. In the past time, this program AMICHE was a graduateship engineering program in chemical engineering, but currently showing that this is not approved course from AICT. And second, I will see you the effect of gas which given on the Facebook page of IIT Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication. Here, here this is guessing the Indian court will reject the all such pledge of recognition of professional institute and which was in the past. In this way, the whose are 10 professional society has filed a case in the Delhi High Court with when you see 3 here and later 7 in the second page list who file a case will be rejected. Here the IIT web page is guessing the all case will be rejected. In this way, here you may see the how the hopeless the Institute of Engineering, Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Institutes. And thirdly, you will see and third the Aeronautical Society of India. Aeronautical Society of India has suspended the new registration of race station for his student in 2018. 2018, whereas the court could decide him not to fresh admission in 2012 to 2020. It means 2 years ago the Aeronautical Society have closed their admission due to their hopeless and not he is believing that he will not face the ACT and MHRD recognition standard. So the public notice for student 27th February a fresh no fresh admission will be taken has been suspended immediate effects. It means the aeronautical society also become hopeless or other society also becoming due to the high standard upgradation of ACT. Also you may see the Facebook page of Aeronautical Society of India. Here say as decided by Government Council in 2 to 5 meeting 27 February, a fresh admission section A associate members examination of aeronautical suspended with immediate effect. In this way, finally you may see the ICT also becoming strict and are not recognizing after 31st May 2013 graduate engineering program. In this way, also you may see a court case status in which way say 945 oblique WPC 945 oblique 2013. In this way, the ICT restrictions say the ICT did make a policy for recommendation for society, but MHRD is not accepting this, whereas not accepted by MHRD. means MHRD also did not want to run this type of personality examination further. In this way, there are many personality, not only the AMIT, AMI, ICHE, MASI, and other personality also becoming the helpless due to the present upgraded policy of technical education. Hope you are understanding each and everything and enjoy it, and like, subscribe, and share others also. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.